Om Shanti, good morning. Essence of Sakar Murli, 26th June 2021. Essence, sweet children, the Father's Shrimat is, turn your face away from this old world. In order to attain liberation in life, imbibe divine manners. Question, which manners can no one but the Father teach you? Answer, to become pure and make others pure. These are the greatest divine manners. While living at home with your families, remain pure. Only the one Father and no one else can give these teachings. You children have unlimited renunciation. You remove this old world from your intellects. You know that when you imbibe purity, all other manners will come automatically. Song, we people of today are in darkness. The essence for dharana is, point number 1, constantly keep your aim and objective in front of you and imbibe divine virtues. In order to go to the Sato-Pradhan world, adopt manners of purity. Your intellect must have unlimited renunciation. Point number 2. Remember your most beloved Father and your land of happiness. Remove your intellect's yoga from this land of sorrow. Today's blessing is, may you be a true yogi and cooperative soul who has yoga with the one Father and thereby receives everyone's cooperation. Again, may you be a true yogi and cooperative soul who has yoga with the one Father and thereby receives everyone's cooperation. To the extent that someone is yogi, he accordingly definitely receives everyone's cooperation, because a yogi's connection, that is, his love, is with the seed. As a return of love, he receives everyone's cooperation. Those who have yoga with the seed and water the seed with love attain the fruit of cooperation from all souls. Because of having yoga with the seed, they have a connection with the whole tree. Slogan, to say mine to old sanskars means to slacken your efforts. Again, to say mine to old sanskars means to slacken your efforts. Om Shanti.